In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up notifications on eToro. If you want to stay updated on account activity, investing changes, price alerts, and other important platform updates, adjusting your notification settings is a smart thing to do. eToro gives you several notification categories, so you can decide exactly what you want to hear about and what you'd rather turn off. Let's walk through the process together. Start by logging into your eToro account. Once you're signed in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu, where you'll find several options related to your profile and platform preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This is where eToro keeps the controls for different account options, including the notification tools we need for this setup. After the settings page opens, click Notifications to access all of your available notification preferences. Now you'll see different categories that you can manage. These may include account and club, investing, price alerts, market events, copy trader and social, deposit and withdrawals, eToro money, and marketing updates. Each category is designed to cover a different type of message, so it's a good idea to think about which updates are most useful for you before making changes. Choose the notification category you want to manage first. Once you open it, expand the section so you can view the available notification options inside. From there, enable the notifications you want to receive and disable the ones you don't. This is helpful if you want to keep important alerts active while reducing less relevant messages. Continue this same process for any other categories you want to customize. Take your time and review each section carefully, especially if you want your notifications to match your trading activity and personal preferences. Fine-tuning these settings can make your experience more organized and help you avoid missing updates that matter. One useful thing to know is that your changes are saved automatically as soon as you update your notification preferences. That means there's no extra save button to press, so once you make an adjustment, it should take effect right away. After you've finished customizing everything, return to the dashboard. From that point on, you can simply wait for future notifications based on the settings you selected. If your needs change later, you can always come back to this section and update your preferences again. Thanks for watching.